In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find saved on Whatnot. This walkthrough will show you exactly where your saved content lives so you can quickly revisit items and creators you've bookmarked. I'll keep it simple and clear so you can follow along in real time. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Whatnot website. You can do this on a computer or a mobile device, but what you'll see here reflects the desktop layout. Give the homepage a moment to load so all menus and icons appear properly. If you use an ad blocker or a privacy extension, make sure it isn't hiding site elements because the menu we need appears in the header. Once you're on the homepage, check that you're signed into your account. You'll know you're signed in if you see your profile avatar or a person-shaped icon instead of a prompt to log in. Being signed in matters because your saved content is tied to your account and it won't display if you're browsing as a guest. Now look to the top right corner of the screen. This is where Whatnot keeps key account controls. You should see your profile icon there. It might be your avatar, initials, or a standard profile silhouette, depending on your setup. Click the profile icon to open your account menu. A small drop-down will appear with options related to your account and activity. This is the menu that helps you jump to orders, offers, settings, and importantly, the section we need. In that drop-down, click on Saved. This is the dedicated area where Whatnot collects the content you've chosen to keep handy. The saved link will take you to a page organized to make browsing your bookmarks straightforward. Your saved content will appear here. You can scroll through the list to see everything you've saved in one place. Open any item or creator from this view to revisit details, check availability, or continue where you left off. If something you expected to see isn't there, confirm you're on the correct account and refresh the page. It's also possible that older or ended items may no longer be visible, depending on the listing status. A couple of quick tips to make this smoother. Keep your browser up to date so pages render correctly. And if you're using the Whatnot app, you'll find a similar saved section within your profile area. Finally, remember that saving content is a great way to track drops and sellers you like. So get into the habit of bookmarking as you browse. That's it. You found the save section on Whatnot and know how to access it anytime.